What if I told you that the best productivity mouse on the planet just got better? The Logitech MX Master 3S was already a near-perfect tool, but the new MX Master 4 claims to raise the bar even higher with haptic feedback, a gesture button, and something called an action ring. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, today we're going to put this mouse under the microscope and see if it truly earns the crown of the best productivity mouse yet, or if Logitech is just polishing perfection. Stick around, because there's one game-changing feature that honestly caught me off guard. First impressions? This thing feels like it was sculpted by someone who knows exactly how my hand wants to rest on a mouse. The MX Master 4 keeps Logitech's signature ergonomic curve, but tweaks the design with softer clicks and slightly refined dimensions. 5.0 by 3.4 by 2 inches and weighing 5.2 ounces. It's not drastically different from the 3S, but the details matter. Wider P, T, FE feet make it glide smoother, the buttons are easier to find, and the left and right clickers are somehow quieter, like 90% quieter. And trust me, once you click it side by side with the 3S's, you'll hear the difference. The only real bummer? Left-handed folks are still left out. Sorry, friends. Here's where it gets exciting. The MX Master 4 brings two big workflow upgrades. First, the gesture button. Press and swipe to hide your desktop, open Start, or launch custom shortcuts. Total productivity cheat code. Then there's the action ring, a radial menu that gives you instant access to tools, sub-menus, even app-specific plugins for Premiere or Figma. Once you use it, going back feels like losing a superpower. Now, let's talk about the feature that surprised me the most. Haptic feedback. Every scroll, click, or action ring selection can have tactile vibrations. Subtle, low, medium, or high. I stuck to medium, and it felt like my mouse was alive, adding an extra layer of feedback that makes simple actions more satisfying. Of course, stronger haptics do drain more battery, but with at least 70 hours on a full charge, it's not a deal breaker. And if you're trying to stretch battery life, you can tone it down or turn it off in Logi Options Plus. It's not just a gimmick, it genuinely changes how the mouse feels day to day. Specs-wise, the MX Master 4 sticks with Logitech's excellent dark field sensor, topping out at 8,000 dpi. Translation: it tracks flawlessly on basically any surface, wood, glass, you name it. The MagSpeed scroll wheel returns, giving you both precision and hyperfast scrolling, while the improved antenna and chip mean even stronger wireless performance. Add in Logi Flow for multi-device control, easy switch for hopping between machines, and Smart Actions macros, and you've got a mouse that feels more like a command center. The downside? You'll need Logi Options plus software to unlock its full potential. On paper, that sounds like a hassle, but in real life, it's one of the best utility apps out there. The MX Master 4 comes in familiar colors: graphite, pale gray, and black, plus some sleek Mac exclusives like space black and white silver. You also get a 1-month Creative Cloud trial, which is a nice bonus. But let's be real, it's not perfect. There's still no spot to store the USB dongle, and for $119, Logitech really should have thrown in a USB-C charging cable. Small annoyances, but worth mentioning. Should you upgrade from the MX Master 3S to the 4? If you're a casual user, the 3S is still excellent. You don't need to switch. But if you live in workflows like video editing, spreadsheets, or creative apps, the new haptic feedback, gesture button, and action ring are real productivity boosts. At $119, it's more than a small upgrade. It's Logitech's ultimate productivity mouse. What do you think? Tempted by the new features or sticking with your setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more tech deep dives.